And we sat in for it and we met the teachers and the principal and so on. We really got a feel that, it's a genuine school, that you guys are looking at educating the youth, trying to change the world through the next generation, not just talking about it, but actually doing it. So we got that feel of it and we said, okay, you know what, if we don't like it, we don't have to stay, right? We have lots of options, but we fell in love with it, to be very honest, and our daughter loves it. So much so that when I come to collect her, she's like, Mom, I don't want to go home, right? So she loves her friends, she loves the school. We can't say enough about the teachers and the principal. The fact that you guys do French here from so early. So she sings in French. She, speaks fluently in French. She knows more French than I do. And it's great. So we're happy with the decision we made, and that's why we chose it. And so far, so good. So it was a lot of changes for a 4-year-old, and she adapted so beautifully, but it was because of the environment. So the teachers were aware that, we're newcomers, and they were so accommodating. And every single teacher in the entire IB knows her name. And I'd love to say it's just my child, but honestly, they know all the kids' names because we have small classes. But here with the IB, I find it's so much more, well, it's international, obviously, it's standardized, it's benchmarked, but it involves all different aspects. So they were learning about the water cycle, and they were able to translate that from the English to doing it in French. So there was a lot of synergy between the two subjects, and you can see the teachers spend a lot of time on the syllabus and the curriculum. And the way they teach it, it builds inquiry into the discipline. So you guys also had an international week and celebrated diversity, which I loved because, again, it made us feel a little bit more welcomed at the school to know that diversity is something that's celebrated and not just acknowledged, which is quite different.